Alright, so today we're going to make the Herbalife protein meal smoothie, and how we're going to do that is we're going to use 8 ounces of water, and then we're going to add in 16 ounces of ice, and then we're going to add in 2 scoops of this Formula 1 healthy meal. This is actually the meal portion of the shake. It has 21 vitamins and minerals, good carbs, protein, fiber, everything that you would need in a meal inside of a cup for you. And in addition to that, what we do, since everyone has a different amount of protein they should be eating at each meal, we have extra protein drink mix, and usually I tell people to add 2 scoops of this to make it a complete 24 grams of protein meal shake. So let's get started with this. All right, so I have my blender here. I'm gonna first add in water, and then add in the ice. This is usually how I make everything. Okay, and then we're gonna go 2 scoops again of the Formula 1 healthy meal. This one is actually one of my favorites. It's cookies and cream. It tastes delicious. So now we got 2 scoops of the protein drink mix as well. 1. All right, perfect. Okay, perfect. Now all we gotta do is just put the lid on. Hit the blender. Awesome. Now we got smoothie in the blender. And all we gotta do is pour and drink. Thanks for taking the time to check out today's video. If you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, where you can find more healthy tips, tricks, and workouts that will help you get to your weight loss goals.